Blacklisting items is another feature that we added in Easy Search tool. So sometimes you see effects like radial blare. We have these two, but we always use this one. So I will hold down Alt, and as you can see, it says click to blacklist or remove from favorites or shortcuts. So in this case, we are clicking on the fast blur and it is removed. Also, now when you type radial, only the radial blur unit will appear. Let's make this a favorite too. Then we have the fractals, and as you can see from the fractal noise, I don't use the VR fractal noise, so I'm holding down Alt and click on it. Also, I don't use this fractal too. And let's favorite this one just for the sake of it. Now, if we come to the radials, as you can see, I've got this CC radial blare. Also, I will make favorite these two. Now, if we want to remove any of these favorites, we can hold down Alt and click on this radial blare, and as you can see, it moved it to wherever it was. Also, let's blacklist some of the effects. I'm holding down Alt and blacklisting. You can have access to the blacklist right here. So from here, you can either hold down Alt and remove them from the blacklist so they will appear again in the search, or you can also click on them and remove with this button.